is minus 12, the cube root of minus 1728. Give reason. Give reason for your answer. Give reason for your answer. Cambridge checkpoint. Now, the question is minus 12 the cube root of minus 1728. Give reason for your answer. Solution. Solution. Yes. That is, minus 12 is the cube root of minus 1728. Reason. Reason. Now, for the reason, it means that we need to show that minus the cube root of minus 1728 equals to minus 12. Let me do that. So that is cube root of minus 1728. So for us to solve this, we are going to break minus 1728. And we know that this is something as cube root of what? Once we are having minus, this is something as minus 1 times 1728. And from here, we can write this as what? This one is something as cube root of what? Okay, let me break 1728 first. I'll break 1000, then times this something as raised power 3 times the result I'm going to have from here. Let me break 1728. So I will have 1728. Let me break that. Now, dividing by 2, what do we have? That is 17 divided by 2, I will have 8. Remainder 1. Now, putting 1 in front of 2, I will have 12. 12 divided by 2, I will have 6. Then 8 divided by 2, I will have 4. Now, dividing by 2 again. 8 divided by 2, what will I have? 4. 6 divided by 2, I will have 3. Then 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2, I will have 2. Now, dividing by 2 also. 43 divided by 2, what will I have? I will have 21. 21. Then remainder 1, what will I have here? Now, because I'll put the 1 in front of 2, I will have 12. 12 divided by 2, I will have 6. So it means that 16 times 2 will give us 432. Dividing by 2, what will you have? 21 divided by 2, 21 divided by 2, I will have 10. Then I'll put the 1 in front of 6, I will have 16. 16 divided by 2, I will have 8. So this is 108. Dividing by 2, what will I have? 10 divided by 2, so that's 5. 8 divided by 2, I will have 4. Dividing by 2, what will I have? I will have here 54 divided by 2, 27. Then 2 cannot go again because this is a multiple of 3. So dividing by 3, what will I have? I will have 3. No, 27 divided by 3, that is 9. 9. Then dividing by 3, what will I have? 9 divided by 3, I will have 3. Now dividing by 3, what will I have? I will have 1. So it means that this is what we need now. The next thing is pairing in threes. 1, 2, 3. The first set, same number. So this is 2 raised to the power of 3 times, what will I have? The next set, what will I have? I have 2 raised to the power of 3. And the last set, same number. That is what? 1, 2, 3. How many 3 do I have here? I have 3. So 3 raised to the power of 3. Then, this will give us what? Now, we have our answer. So in this case, minus 1 raised to the power of 3. We don't have cube root again. Minus 1 raised to the power of 3. Then, same number here, same power. So what will I have? I will have minus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 3. The cube root of this, what will I have? Same power, same number here. What will you have? That's 2. So the base is the answer. That's also 2. Now the base is the answer because the power here is same thing as the number here. So that is 3. So times 3. So in that case, what will I have? Minus 1 times 2 will give us minus 2. Minus 2 times 2 will give us minus 4. Minus 4 times 3 will give us what? Minus 12. And this showed that cube root of minus 1728 is the same thing as minus 12. Thank you.